trying to shoot.
Okay, let's begin.
Rainy day.
What is the title?
Rainy day.
Okay, rainy day. Read.
Need umbrella, raincoat, rainboot, rainy day. It's raining. We need umbrella. It's raining. We need raincoat. It's raining. We need rain boots. Wait, we can go outside.
Let's read. Okay, look, read again.
It's raining.
What is this?
Jammer.
It is a mushroom.
Mushroom.
Repeat again.
Mushroom.
What is this?
Snail.
And what is this?
Cloud.
That's correct. And what is this?
Flower.
Look over here. Read.
We need umbrella.
How many umbrellas over there?
4.
4 umbrellas. What color is this?
One's okay.
What is this? What color is this?
Umbrella.
What color?
Yellow.
And how about this one? What color is this?
Purple.
And how about this?
White.
And the last one is?
Black.
That's good. Next, red.
Rainy.
Do you still remember what is this?
Cloud.
Okay, and look, what animal is this? Ant.
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 Okay, read.
We need raincoat.
And what color is the raincoat?
Blue and yellow.
Blue, dark blue and yellow. And read.
We need raincoat.
No. What is this?
We need raincoat.
No, this is not raincoat. Rain
Rainboot.
boots. Which one is rain boots?
Rainboot.
This one. Oh, do you remember what is this?
Raincoat.
Raincoat. That's right. So if we wear raincoat, we can go.
Outside.
We can go outside. Excellent. Good job.
Excellent.